What's up, guys? New episode today. Finally got some time to do a little bit of filming. Gonna do some harbor sailing at Victoria Harbour behind me, and just picked up some sail repair tape because our sail's broken on the other boat, which is in Etchells. So we'll take you along with us today. We'll see how it goes. It's a little bit of rain right now, but we're expecting at least 10 knots wind out in the harbor. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. Got some emergency repairs in. Perfect work. Naughty? Alright, ready? Alright, pull everything in. Everything in, everything in. Yep, back up. This right. Look out. Naughty ahead of us. One back up. We're gonna attack. Keep on, we're gonna start with attack. We're gonna have to attack. Okay. 3. Just hold on, not yet. Wait until we round the mark, and then that's Roger that. We're off about 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on. 1. Bearing off. Yeah, bearing off. Nice. Go. Yep. Drop. Dropping there. Jed. Yeah. How does it look? Any slack on the jib? Is it stuck?
What?
Get the chalk off as well.
That's off. Yep.
That's it.
Guys, when you're ready, George. What's the end? What's on the end? Put on the end. Above standing with the plug. George, put on the end.
On. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like this video and catch you on the next one. You.